Zani mette solo soft music.
No, Zani, classici, grandi classici.
The big classic, says Zani. The friends always available. Because it's very good, it's very polite. This one too. Now when he pass accelerator, go down the wheels. No, Zani, it's a very good guy. We are going to drink a beer.
You better run from love.
He is a singer, a vocalist, Zani. The only trouble is that my ears are broken now. Go on the right, because for the old Praga, where we are going to, the vecchia Praga, the old Praga, to drink a beer like the same that we frequented when we were very small child, 40 years old, and the old Praga always there, sempre là, non si muove. The perception, la sensazione delle color of the colors, it's subjective. Yellow for you, green for Zani. Yellow for you, green for Zani. But yellow, it's not red. Yellow, it's not espulsione. You stay in the camp, on the ground. And so, you go on the right to Old Praga.
This is the Old Praga.
Old Praga. We were 14 years, now 43. No red, no go, Zani.
No one can go.
No go, Zani. Old Praga, good beer and many ricordi. Many memories. 30 years later, we stay here. Thank God. Old Praga. Available. Open bar. Here we go. Viva la life.